so a lot of times I get asked, can I run, say I have half my lights on this side of the driveway and half on this side of the driveway, can I run 2 wires or 2 runs off of my transformer? And yes, for sure. If you're looking at a system that's got 20 lights or more, you're probably using a bigger transformer that's 150 watt, 200, 300 watt. And they usually have terminals and taps on them that are big enough to run more than 1 wire out of it. So for example, like this, say I've got, let's just say this is times 10 and we've got 20 lights on this side of the driveway and then we've got these 20 lights on this side of the driveway. All I would do is I would basically just have 2 separate wires that run out to each one of those directions, and I would put them all in the same tap. So I don't need to have 2 separate transformers to run each side of that driveway. I can just have 2 lines that run out of that transformer.